I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin in Google Sheets because it exposes Google Finance data directly. Create a sheet, set your locale, then list tickers in one column. Once done, type a Google Finance formula referencing each ticker and choose attributes like price or close. Make sure to include dates and interval for historical series. This gives immediate live or historical rows you can inspect. The why. Sheets handles authentication and formatting, so you avoid scraping and can iterate quickly. Next, automate extraction using Google Apps script so you can schedule pulls and normalize rows. Write a script that reads ticker cells, evaluates or reads the formula results, and writes structured data to another sheet or JSON blob. Once done, add batching to avoid timeouts and implement small delays when iterating many tickers. Make sure to set a time-driven trigger for regular updates and include simple retry logic for transient failures or partial. Finish by exporting or exposing the clean data for your apps. You can download CSV manually, publish a web app endpoint from AppScript that returns JSON, or let an external service call the Sheets API with a service account. Once done, validate timestamps and formats and make sure scheduled triggers are active. If things go wrong, check for attribute name changes, locale mismatches, and rate limits. These cause empty cells, add retries, back off, and fallback attributes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.